guys, Caden here. I'm railfanning right now, and D'Artagnan's with me. I had nothing to film yesterday for reasons that I'll explain later. There's a train coming. It's coming from that direction. D'Artagnan had to run home real quick. He'll be back in a little bit. My friend Robert is up there with his friend.
My daughter and granddaughter.
Your daughter, his daughter and granddaughter. And now I can see the train. He's up on the bridge, so he can see a little further than me. But I can see the train now too. And is it me, or does that look like it's Norfolk Southern leading? I don't know. The only reason I'm out here is to film for YouTube, because I couldn't film yesterday.
Come over here and just sit on the lawn chair?
What?
You ever come over here and just sit on the lawn chair sometime?
That's what me and my grandma do sometimes.
You go right there?
No, right here, no. I just started going to this like a month ago. Once the train goes around the curve, me and D'Artagnan in the trench. As long as it's not on this track, we're in the trench. Quite possibly. D'Artagnan totally didn't throw a rock onto the top of the last locomotive. Last time we came out here.
What, Caden?
D'Artagnan, who was here a little bit ago,
Yeah.
he went up there and threw a rock under the roof of the end of the train.
Look, he didn't go through a window.
There's no window on the top of the locomotive.
Could have hit it. You could make it derail.
Good. I've actually seen a rock shatter under the train's wheels. Watch this thing blast under you guys and right past me.
I don't think it's going very fast.
The max speed limit through here is 55.90 miles per hour.
Through here?
Yes, through the entire town. There's a speed limit. There's a speed limit marker right over there by the depot.
Did you know my brother-in-law drives those?
Oh, Brody's dad?
Yep.
Yeah, I know that. Who knows? He could be driving that train who's got at least 3 locomotives, which is pretty awesome. He's got like 3 or 4 locomotives leading the train. I'm sorry for tilting the camera. Let me put it in my hand. 4 locomotives are leading this train. And there's a green light on this track. That's awesome. Yeah! Hello, hello, Mr. Train Driver. Hello. Hello. How you doing? Hello. Oh my God. Okay, so that was an ES-44DC, that 3rd locomotive, and it was painted wrong. That's pretty awesome. It was painted wrong. That's cool. There's a green signal on the closest track. And if I go down while a train is passing on the closest track, it could very well suck me into the train and kill me. So that's why we're not in the trench when a train comes by on this track. That would be a real bad day, and we don't want that to happen. Okay, bye. Woohoo. And there's a green light on the closest track. It's pretty nice. There he goes. Hey, did you see it? D'Artagnan's back, everybody. All right. right, well, that's gonna do it for this video. Train 1.